Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to turn off Tinder read receipts. So you may just move in the profile icon which is right bottom. So just tap on the top right corner of gear icon which shows you the mode settings of Tinder. So after you may scroll down and find read receipts. You may scroll down a little bit more and here you will be find read receipts. So you just turning this off prevent any matches for activating read receipts in your conversation from this moment forward. So to know when someone read your message or Tinder, you must active read receipts. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.